at a map of the world. The blue, the vast, deep blue. It covers 71% of our planet. We call it home. But what if, in the blink of an eye, the blue turned to brown? What if every drop of water in the oceans simply vanished? No tsunami, no warning, just silence. Welcome to the end of the world. Imagine you are standing on a beach in California, or Dubai, or Sydney. 1 second, the waves are crashing at your feet. The next, the water is gone. A massive wall of wet sand is all that remains. The horizon hasn't just moved, it has dropped, thousands of miles away. In the middle of the Atlantic, the great ships are falling. Oil tankers, cruise liners, aircraft carriers. Gravity is no longer their friend. Millions of tons of steel plummeting 3 miles down, crashing into the jagged rocks of the ocean floor. The sound is like 1,000 thunderstorms happening at once. The Titanic is no longer a ghost in the dark. It sits in the open air, exposed to a sun it hasn't felt in 100 years. But the ships are the lucky ones, the giants of the deep, the blue whales, the great whites. They are not meant for the air. They lie gasping in the mud, the kings of the ocean, defeated by the very thing we breathe. Wait, listen. The temperature is starting to rise, fast. The oceans are the Earth's thermostat. They absorb the sun's fury. Without them, the planet begins to cook. Within hours, the humidity vanishes. The air becomes dry, brittle. It cuts your throat like glass. And then, the oxygen starts to fade. Most people think trees give us life. They are wrong. Half of the oxygen on Earth comes from the ocean, phytoplankton. With the water gone, the lungs of the world have collapsed. Every breath you take is now a countdown. Days pass. The continents are now connected by nightmare canyons. You could walk from New York to London, but you wouldn't want to. The seafloor is a graveyard of secrets, ancient cities, unexploded nukes, creatures that have never seen the light, now rotting in the heat. The salt, the billions of tons of salt left behind, begin to blow in the wind. Massive white dust storms, miles high, scouring the land. The green forests of the earth are now tinder. Without rain, they ignite. Wildfires the size of countries begin to burn. The sky turns a permanent bruised orange. The sun is a dim red ghost behind the smoke. We spent centuries looking at the stars, wondering if Mars had life. Now, we don't have to wonder. We are living on Mars. The remaining humans retreat. They go down, deep into the Marianas Trench, looking for the last pockets of mud, the last molecules of moisture, fighting over a cup of dirty water, like it's gold. But there is no escape. The earth is no longer the blue marble. It is a scorched, dying rock. We thought the oceans were just water. We were wrong. The water was the veil. The water was the shield. And now that the shield is gone, the universe is coming for us. Stay quiet. Save your breath. Because in this new world, every word is a luxury you can no longer afford. Earth is dry, and so are we. The end didn't come with a bang. It came with a thirst.